Thinking about downsizing your home in Sarnia? It might be time to simplify, reduce expenses, and embrace a lifestyle that works for you today, not just your past. Hi, I'm Kevin Ryan with Blue Coast Realty Brokerage Limited, and today we're covering the signs that it might be the right time to downsize your home. If you have rooms collecting dust, yard work you no longer want to deal with, or bills that are climbing, it might be time for a change. Downsizing can reduce monthly costs, lower maintenance, and unlock the equity you've built over the years. It's also about lifestyle. So maybe you want to travel more, be closer to amenities, or limit a community that better suits your needs. Sarnia has some excellent downsizing options, including bungalows, condos, and low maintenance properties in great locations. And with Sarnia's stable market in 2025, now could be the ideal time to sell your current home and move into something that truly fits your life. If you're starting to ask yourself, like, do I really need all this space? You're not alone, and we're here to help. Reach out to Blue Coast Realty Brokerage Limited to explore your downsizing options today.